I gained 10,000 followers on my TikTok account, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys the 5 key aspects that helped me get those followers in just a few short months. So the first key to getting 10,000 followers is picking a niche. So before you go and do anything, you're going to have to do some market research to see what accounts and what niches are currently trending. And I'm not just saying like a few minutes of watching TikToks to see what niches are trending. I'm talking like maybe 2 to 3 hours to truly see what type of accounts are getting views and growing at the moment. And for me, I ended up in the luxury motivational niche. And as you can see, a lot of the videos that I saw were simply just luxury motivational videos. And some of these accounts were growing tremendously. So I knew that was a niche that I wanted to get into. And when you do your market research, make sure to dive deep into some of these accounts to see what they're posting. As for this account right here that has almost 60,000 followers, they don't even post videos. They only post carousels, which I am going to talk about later in this video as well. But yeah, just make sure you guys dive really deep into some of these accounts that are doing well and see what they're posting so you know what type of content you need to post in that specific niche. The second key to getting 10,000 followers is to just post consistently. I truthfully just can't stress enough how important it is to post consistently on your account. And a lot of the accounts that I see that just fail or don't get a lot of followers simply is just because they're not posting consistently or they give up too soon. And I've showed you in past videos in growing my account that it's not really a linear line in growing. It really is exponential. And it took me about 5 months to get my first 1,000 followers. So to go from 0 to 1,000 followers took about 5 months. And then to go from 1,000 to 10,000 followers took only about like 2 or 3 months after that. So the main key thing here is to just post consistently. And I now have almost 13,000 followers. So if you're not posting consistently every single day, the algorithm won't know to show out your post. And the more that you post, it obviously just gives your account more chances of going viral too. So posting consistently is probably one of the major things and reasons why I see accounts that just don't blow up or don't do well. And if you look at accounts that are doing well, even like me, it doesn't show me how many posts I have, but I'm telling you that I have and you can go through my account, I have well over 300, probably close to 400 posts by this point. And as you can see, it just took some time. I wouldn't expect to go viral on like my 10th post or my 20th post or even my 30th post. One of my biggest recommendations for anyone starting out is that before you actually start posting, you need to make 1 week's worth of content and have that ready to post before you make your first post. Because this way you're not scrambling at like 2 or 3 a.m. to make a post so that you post every single day. Make like a week's worth so you're ahead of posting content, of creating content, and then you'll be in a good position to set yourself up for success. The third key in this process was just copying viral videos. This definitely tags along with your market research, but the key here is not just to take any viral video. You need a viral video that was posted within the last 30 days. Because something that went viral, for example, a post like this, let's see when it was posted. Yeah, almost like a year ago. Anything that's like 6 months old or even older, don't even look at, because chances are that was going viral 6 to 12 months ago and isn't going viral anymore. So you need to find something that's, more recent that is doing well and just kind of copy those style of videos or whatever the content is and just add your own little twist on it. For example, like this account that has almost 600,000 followers, well, you can see their most viral videos were videos, and now they're posting carousels, and this carousel already has 67,000 views. It was posted a couple months ago, but it did pretty well, and I've actually been seeing carousels do well recently. So that's just something to keep in mind with your market research. Just find something that's within like 30 days is obviously more ideal, but if it's like 1 to 3 months old, it could still be trending. So that's what you want to do with your market research and copying viral video ideas. Now, the fourth key in this process of getting 10,000 followers was making interactive posts. By interactive posts, what I'm really saying is that you need posts that people are going to share or save, because the more people share a post, that means they're just sending it to their friends that are going to also watch the video. And if they save the post, that means they're going to come back to the video to watch it later. And looking at one of my most viral videos, you can clearly see that it has literally over 16,000 saves to it. So that means literally 16.6 thousand people saved this video to come back and watch it again later. And when someone comes back to watch it again later, it keeps people on the platform, which helps TikTok push out your video even more because they want people to stay on their platform. And if they didn't share it the first time, they might come back to the video after saving it and then share it after watching it a second time. So saves are absolutely essential for posts to go viral, and you need to put something in the post to make people want to save it or share it. Even this post has over 3,000 saves to it, and another popular post that I have has over 1,000 saves. So you can even track your videos as they continue to get more saves and shares. You kind of have an idea that it's going to continue to get more views and go viral. And the fifth key in this process is carousel posts. So I've already mentioned carousel posts several times in this video already, and that's because that's kind of the new thing on TikTok. And this account, which I've already shown, has 60,000 followers for a reason, because they are consistently posting carousel posts that kind of have everything to do that I've talked about in this video. It's a good niche. People are making interactive posts, they're sharing it, they're saving it. It's just a trending niche too, in the luxury motivational niche. And the one important thing about this is that these posts, the music on them tie together with the pictures that are being posted. And I can't show you the audio just so YouTube will take this video down, but if you go look at carousel posts, you're gonna see that the audio is a major factor in these posts as well, because the audio usually ties into an emotion with whatever the caption of the picture is, or just the picture in and of itself. But yeah, so carousel posts are one of the most popular trending things on TikTok, simply because they want to compete with Instagram. So they want people posting on their platform on TikTok, and they know that if they can start to push out more carousels, that people would want to post pictures on TikTok instead of Instagram. One of the last things that I'm going to leave you guys in this video with is that you have to stay up to date with trends without totally changing your page. So as you can see, carousels are doing well. So what I just kind of started implementing into my account is posting carousels. And like I said, you need to stay consistent with them. And I'm just starting out kind of slowly. I've only posted about 3 carousels so far, but you know, as I move forward with my account, I'm going to post more carousels to see how well they do. And literally this one carousel, the second one I posted, has over 8,000 views, which compared to my videos that I've been posting recently is doing tremendously better. Like nothing even has over 5,000 views lately, simply because carousels are more popular on TikTok. And like I said, even if I go to look at this carousel post, it has over 200 saves, which is a key component of your post getting pushed out more. I also chose a good trending audio for this post, and you guys can just go on my account to see the audio that I use, but it's a good audio and it kind of ties in with the emotion of the video. So as I move forward with this account, if you guys want to track my progress, you can go and see as I start to post carousel posts and see how well that they perform. Because to be honest, my account, I have 13,000 followers right now. And my followers have kind of slowed down in growing my account, and it's been kind of a slow grind up lately ever since I hit 10,000 followers. And that's because the posts that I have aren't trending as much anymore. I'm not getting views on my videos that are, 193,000, almost 1 million views on this video, and almost 50,000 views on this video. They're kind of slowing down. I have to stay up to date with the algorithm, and to hopefully do this is probably through carousels. So like I said, if you guys want to see me grow my account even further, my next goal is 25K. To get there, I know that I'm going to have to change the style of my account. If you guys want to track my progress, make sure to give a follow. I also have an Instagram as well too that I'm doing the same thing. On Instagram, I have about 5,000 followers. So this is one major reason why I got to 10,000 followers, but I've since hit a roadblock. I'm growing not as exponentially as I wanted to, and to get to 25K could take a while unless I really stay up to date with my account and trending niches. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to go check out my free Discord that's going to be in the caption of this video. I'm literally giving out free page audits, so if you have a theme page and want it to be reviewed by me personally, join my Discord and just chat in there, and I will take a look at your page and give you all the feedback that you need to help yourself grow. I also have other videos on this channel about growing pages and making money through Instagram and TikTok, so make sure to go check those out too. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you in the next one.